to anti-year after kidnapping, te franco-colombian Ingrid Betancourt, hostage force year of the FARC area, announced on their intention to take part in the presidential election scheduled for spring 2022 in Colombia. He will work tirelessly from now on, from sunrise to sunset, to be your proceed, Ingrid Betancourt said during a press conference. At the head of the small environmentalist party Vert Oxygen, Texostage, 59, will participate in a primary organized to decide between the candidate of a centrist coalition, the coalition of hope. In the event of victory, Ingrid Betancourt will therefore represent in the presidential election of May 29, occur which want to be an alternative to face, structuring in Colombia, between the writing pointlet, represented by the former mayor of Bogotá and former guerrilla Gustavo Petro, to the favorite in the poll. The team a come to have a santé option for the cad of add on libre adoption, extreme right, extreme left. The team a come to have a santé option, cette candidate, WHO a set herself to fight against insecurity and pollution air objective. I believe in a world without home vision, shaded. Today I'm to finish what I started with many of you in 2002. With the conviction ta Colombia in already to change course, she said, referring to this year of detention in the jungle. Ingrid Betancourt had been kidnapped by the Marxist guerrilla of the Revolutionary Armed Force of Colombia, FARC, while campaigning for the presidency. She was rescued during a military operation en Saint-Solivet d'Abrad, regularly staying in Colombia or often take part in public debate. $36 million in compensation for kidnapping. The Franco-Colombian also spoke on today about $36 million in financial compensation ordered in early January by the American Justice against the FARC, for their responsibility in her kidnapping. Have some team going to be of thinking ta asking for justice abusive. I come today to ask ta every son, every dote, every fate, every motive compensated and compensated, amered candidate. A federal court in Pennsylvania, Northeastern United State, ruled on January 4 ta Texostage son, born in 1988 from his first union with Frenchman Fabrice Deloy, he entitled to compensation of $12 million before it tripled with attorney fee and cost, or more than $36 million, according to a lawyer. Laurence Betancourt, also called Lorenzo, WHO American nationality, a filed a civil complaint United States in June 2018 against 14 former FARC officials, most of whom are presumed dead or still armed in the jungle. In 2010, Ingrid Betancourt demanded compensation from the Colombian state for no having guaranteed their safety, Bush gave up in the face of criticism. He have been accused of having been ungrateful, opportunistic, greedy. But system of corruption ta reign in our country only recognizes the right of bandits, she castigated, saying ta, like to the victim, she expect root, justice en reparation from investigation carried out by the Peace Corps, puis in place by the 2016 agreement which ended a conflict of more than half a century with the Marxist guerrilla. According to the agreement, those WHO confessor crime en reperte damage caused to their victim will be able to avoid prison. Otherwise, they risk sentence of up to 20 years in prison.